Female linked to 21 gun find still not found as cops raid property and an urgent appeal is being made for her to turn herself in. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police have intensified their search for the female who was identified as a person of interest following the seizure of 21 firearms at a warehouse on Friday. Police sources said that the search continues for the female Jody and Elisa Edwards, given until 12 midday on Saturday to turn herself into the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Branch for questioning. Checks made at the time revealed that the female did not turn herself into the police. The police said that a property where the woman is believed to have been residing was raided. However, the police found no one at that residence. The police high command in a release said that the woman was from Portmore, but sources said that she is believed to always frequent sections of Clarendon. Meanwhile, anyone knowing the whereabouts of this female is being asked to contact CTOC at 876-967-1389, Crime Stop, the NIB, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.